welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, within the Klansman recordings, even in all the chaos, death and destruction, you can find a lesson we can all learn from. Today, we're going to talk about the fact that it turns out the perfect case study for domestic abuse. Well, not the type of domestic abuse that people talk about or care about. You know, the one that woman beat man. Right. Turns out the perfect case study is actually the Klansman Don, Tesha Miller. You're going to hear City Puss go into serious details about how Tesha was getting beaten by a woman and how him did have to basically try to help him out enough time. We just can't make this up. But before we go into that, couple announcements. The first one, for a very special patron birthday shout out. This one goes out to Shantae. Now, you already know Shantae needs no introduction. Right? Everybody who's ever read the comment section, right, on any video I drop, know say Shantae are one of the people who basically lease piece of land in the comment section. Right? There's like 50 people where it look like say them divide up the comment section and lease piece, right? I feel them world basically. Right? So Shantae are one of them people long time supporter from day one, right? Always a support the movement, no matter what. Even when time she not agree with certain things, we can talk same way. So you don't know, we rate people like that. So Shantae, big up yourself. Hope you have a great day and enjoy this video I drop. Right? So I want to wish Shantae a happy birthday. See? Next thing. People been asking about some kind of site where them can link and support the witness them, or we've been working on that, but it's very complicated because obviously most of them sites they require all kind of information which is simply not going to be given to them, right? And especially enough of them sites they make that information public. So I'm working on it. We're working on it. When time we get that sorted out, right, then I'll put the link, right, and then we can do, right, we want to say on the one do, right? We're gonna see if people just talk. Right now, as I said, them site there, when it comes down to the internet and all these sites and platforms, well, especially as it relates to me, it's a case of a person who know a person and that person don't know me. That's how I work with every site. Right? So that's how I see people about them I go for documents and all kind of things. I'm like, good luck, right? Even if you do get somebody, I mean, that person couldn't even point me out in our lineup, right? So good luck, right? I don't know. People, all these people claim they're so smart and educated, think they can use like conventional means. And you may go like send one letter, and may go like tell upon you, and they are go see. Alright. Good luck, as I say. Hope it works out. Seriously, because I actually have a contingency plan. If the day ever come, right? And trust me, that is when time you see another gear change out in the 6.2 liter engine. So, the recordings, I'm doing it in phases. Right? You notice right now we kind of focus on the one them surrounding City Puss. Right? You hear Mama make a feature, you hear the Black Dog make a feature, right? But it's City Puss and C4. You're going to see one set with Mama and C4, where Mama is the main person talking in most I video them. They're going to have Black Man and T4, and Black Man is the main person talking in one of the video them. And you have our next videos with a straight police and then people there, big wigs. I'm going to talk about all them people there, but we have some, but we want all of them. We can move into it. You're going to hear City Post describe in his own words, right, what I reached Tesha. Now, let me just say this, right, as you know, I've been talking about domestic abuse and everything there for a while, but I always bring up the facts there. People only really care about man abusing woman, not woman abusing man, or, wait for it, woman abusing woman. If, let's say them don't care about men, which we know is a fact, right? You would think they would care about woman beating woman, right? When them get abusive, a boxing and kick down same way. Right? Female and female violence is brutal, right? Don't think because they associate women being the soft agenda where you think say. Ask anybody who truly come from that field. When woman in a relationship with woman, when time they wanna go and like she man a beat the other one, or any way you take it, it get real ugly. But of course Jamaica don't bother doing that kind of research or that kind of data, or they might tell us well them can't get it as usual. But they actually them get what them want get. Them put effort in what them want put effort in. But if you look at countries that study it, you will see that in some countries them even find out say women and women relationships are even more violence prone than man and woman. But let me say that's for next day. So you're going to hear Tesha Miller getting abused by his woman to the point that City Post himself have to intervene and go say left the man alone. Who would imagine that? Who would know say Tesha Miller? Just think about that for a second. Right? Because people always say, what kind of woman did I put her hand on a man? You must be mad. Right? Just think about this for a second. If a woman can raise her hand and lick Tesha Miller, why would you find it hard to believe she would have boxed on Carlton? Imagine a woman, remember Tesha Miller, right? Especially we talk about them time there too. Tesha Miller, who can walk around the community, right? Walk around Spanish Town and drape up we want drape up, box up we want box up, and the man they do nothing at all. Right? There are very few men who would defend themselves if Tesha walk up to them and box them in their face, right? And a woman I go look on Tesha and beat him. Not just fling on a one licking about beating. To the way City Booster describe it, Tesha sound like a little damsel in distress. Like it almost they have said Tesha Miller, are we listening to the Klansman Dan? Are we talking about the man where him name make how much people can't sleep at night time? Right, walk on the road, make how much things happen too much man, and then go home at evening time and get beaten? Tesha Miller? Tesha Miller is the case study. Tesha Miller is the face of woman and man domestic abuse. I mean, I've heard the local, talking here and there, but sometimes I hear some things, even though the source solid, I say, but come on, Tesha, you have to miss that woman raise up man on it. Yes, I don't know Tesha alone. Enough. But if you're a bad man, them I get beaten. Enough man I get beaten. Why won't society accept this? Now here's the thing, people say, treat men and women equally, because we're equal. Right? When them say that, of course you know that's unicorn meat, because what they're saying is, treat me equal except when it comes down to abuse. In that case, I am no longer your equal. I am now the equivalent of a small child, and you should allow me to fling on as much liquor as possible, and you should not defend yourself. Let me say that one more time. Treat me, and yes, I know the same time I go upset right now. It's treat me equal, right, except when it comes to abuse. Right? It's one of the things them where you should not treat me equal. That's what enough of them say now. But they don't say it, but that's what they mean. Right? Treat me equal, right, when it comes on to these things, but for these things, treat me like a small child. Let me be able to lick you in your face and kick you as much time as possible like a 2-year-old, and you should not do anything. Take my physical abuse and my verbal abuse as long as possible. Matter of fact, take it forever. Right? If you notice, as I said before, right, remember when time the policeman get killed by the first thing everybody say, his wife kill him. The first thing everybody say, well, I wonder what him do, I must something him do. And I say nothing until me hear what him do. Because all of a sudden, what you do matter. Right? It don't work for men. If a man kill him spouse, the public don't come out and say, well, man, I say nothing, because I don't know what she do. No, it's condemned. Flat out condemned. Right? We don't want to hear what she do. Right? There's no justification. But when it's the woman kill the man, then all of a sudden people get so patient. Well, we need to wait and see what happens, because she wouldn't just get up and kill him so. Because apparently man just get up and just kill woman just so. Right? So it's a matter of fact, say, reason, right? The reason why people do things only matter if they have an eagle eye. And I know sometimes people don't like when I talk like this, but there's enough people out there standing up for this and standing up for that. Somebody can say, hey, man a human being too. Right? And since we don't want equality, let's be equal. Let's treat both genders, right, the same. Right? Either we condemn, right, one spouse killing the other, no matter what the other spouse do, or we look into the reason to see what caused it and don't judge for both. That's what people say, right? When a woman kill man, don't judge. You don't know what he did to her. Okay, well, the man killed the woman. You don't know what she did to him. No, it don't matter. It don't matter. So, I'm going to play this clip. And I say, it's fascinating. Tesha woman beat him to the point that City Puss have to help him. City Puss have to intervene. Right? Tesha made the Klansman done. You can't make this up. Right? Who knew Tesha would be the face of abuse at home? The baddest thing on the road, right, is a victim in a yard. Check this out.
Tesha did there with one of the boy then Tasha sister, creator daughter. I'll see that they call the him enough time to go over they go beat him and tell you say the next time you hear say and the man have nothing over here going to come shoot in your blood clot. I him a big girl ever and it look like he can't fuck lick in the eye to cry. He eye ever blood shot. Anytime you see him after Tesha.
Blood clot.
A big boy girl named Mass rolling. When you go here, that's the master your feet head and a force of Brazil and blood clot tight, you know, if you're alone beating that just get like blood clot. Don't feel like a joke, man. Don't feel anytime you see him. And then time there, with kerchief over in eye, Jordan, like him put the kerchief on the half mask in face, half on face the kerchief there. And him put me hat on it that the kerchief now move. And one day me I got that and see him and I say, I want him to say that go here cover your face sir. And he must say I joke somebody joking now right. You charging him 5 years sir. You must beat him up. Come here, so what you say? You say I must beat him up. So I know I must find him a little fitness from 2000 when they must then just start chat because I used to carry all must pick him fucker. You go to him and look at girl. Oh yeah, where are the man at? Who you respond to me and say blood clot girl? Don't forget how you are chatting. And I say where are the bomb clot man? You start explain everything.
Well, and I have nothing more for you to that. Nothing more. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.